Let's go ahead with some breaking news coming in. Opposition parties are meeting at Sonia Gandhi's residence as we speak. This includes NCP, DMK, Shiv Sena and other leaders. What exactly is this all about? Let's cut across to Arvind joining us for the very latest. Arvind, this comes on a day when the opposition carried out a protest rally in the morning. This was for the suspension of those 12 MPs from Rajya Sabha, and then a press conference held as well. Is this meeting in the same line?
Yeah, Sonal, what we are picking from our sources is that Congress President Sonia Gandhi is currently meeting the senior leaders of DMK and also NCP and also Shiv Sena. So all three leaders from DMK, Shiv Sena and also NCP are currently meeting with Congress President Sonia Gandhi. So when we ask our sources regarding the agenda of this particular meeting, what we are being told is that this is a meeting over strategy, over the larger opposition strategy. That's what we are getting to her. So of course, with the parliament session currently underway, so the parliament strategy, the strategy of the opposition parties in the ongoing winter session is also being discussed in this. But apart from that, what we are also being told is that the larger opposition strategy, both inside and also outside the parliament, is also being discussed in this particular meeting. So that's what we are getting to hear from our sources. So it's a very important meeting that is currently underway at the residence of Sonia Gandhi, because all this while we have seen, even in during the last parliament session, we did see Rahul Gandhi having a meeting with the floor leaders of all the opposition parties, and also he also met with the MPs of all opposition parties at Constitution Club. But this time it's a very important meeting. This meeting is being currently chaired by Congress President Sonia Gandhi and also three very important opposition parties who are allies of Congress. If you could take Maharashtra, both Shiv Sena and NCP are part of the alliance, part of the government with Congress. If you come down south in Tamil Nadu, Congress is in alliance with Tamil Nadu. So all three very trusted allies of Congress, that is NCP, DMK and also Shiv Sena. All these three parties are currently meeting Sonia Gandhi over larger opposition strategy. So it's a very important development. This also comes amidst the TMC are trying to stand as and come out as a position itself as a alternate opposition for BJP. So at this very important juncture, now Sonia Gandhi is chairing a very important meeting where all three important trusted allies of Congress party are currently in a huddle over larger opposition strategy.
Arvind, when it comes to suspensions, 14 days gone already for these MPs, right, who've been suspended. A couple of more days of this session to remain. So just about, if you could just give us a number there as well. So effectively, what exactly could this meeting lead to?
Sonal, the opposition parties are very clear that they want this suspension to be revoked. According to them, that the principle of natural justice that was not followed in the decision to suspend all these 12 MPs. According to the opposition parties, all these 12 MPs, they were not even heard by they were not even, their version, their explanation was not even heard by the government or the Rajya Sabha before taking the decision to suspend all these 12 MPs. So the opposition parties are saying that their suspension should be revoked unequivocally. But whereas government is saying that no, there is no question of revoking their suspension unless and until they come up with a regret or an apology. So the government is saying that you express your regret or an apology, after which we will reconsider the decision, and then you will return to the House. We'll have this debate and discussion. We'll continue with the function of the Parliament. But the government is clear, without they expressing their regret or apology, there is no question of revoking their suspension, whereas all these 12 suspended MPs are saying that they will not express a regret or remorse because according to them, they did not violate any rules. In fact, they wanted to express their voice inside the parliament as a member of Rajya Sabha, so they expressed this one. So the impasse continues over the suspension of 12 MPs, but at this very juncture, what we are seeing is a meeting, a very high-level meeting that is being chaired by Sonia Gandhi herself with three important trusted allies of Congress on this moment, that is DMK, Shiv Sena and also NCP.
All right, we leave it there for the moment. Thanks, Arvind, for joining us for the very latest. So that meeting currently of opposition leaders on at Sonia Gandhi's residence. TMC, interestingly, is not part of that meeting.